Now when I click on the play icon, I should be able to play the game. So I click on the play icon and I want to be able to move that cycle. And it doesn't do anything, not even when I move my mouse, nor if I use the arrow keys. It's because I've not programmed it yet. Press the escape button to get the menu back. Click on the object. You've always got to click on the object to be able to control these objects. And I'm going to have a look at this cycle now and try and work out why it's not moved. If I right click on it, it's not moved because I need to program it. So if I click on program, you get this menu up. Now when I press the arrow keys, I want it to do something, in other words move. So if I click on when, I'm looking for something that I can control that Kodu with. If I had a gamepad plugged in, I could use that. But I've got a keyboard, so I'm going to use the keyboard today. I better now tell it what keys I want to press. I could use WASD. I'm going to save that for the moment and just stick with the main arrows up, down, left and right. So now when the keyboard arrows are pressed, I want it to do something. Let's see what I could make it do. I could make it move. That's my instruction for that cycle to move. If I press escape and now click play, my Kodu will now move around the world. And I can test out my game. I can check out whether the ramps around the outside make my Kodu stick, whether there's enough challenge in that middle section where the rocks are, or maybe whether I want to add some more rocks or some more challenge. It's quite easy at the moment. I think I might need some more objects, or I might need some more hazards along the way. You could add more rocks. You could add different objects as well to make it more challenging. And I could copy those and paste them in. Another way of adding challenge is to add some more of these holes. So I could do that, click on the terrain and maybe make the track slightly thinner in places, or add some more holes onto my track. In this section that was quite wide has now got different holes in the track. You don't want too many, and keep testing your program to see whether it's challenging enough or too challenging, and whether it looks right. One problem I have at the moment is that my Kodu is very slow, or my cycle is very slow. I can speed up my cycle. I need to click on the object icon and right click and change its settings again. Forward speed multiplier is on 1. I could take that up slightly. That means it goes faster in the forward direction. Turning speed is how quickly it goes around the corner. Acceleration, how quickly it accelerates. And acceleration, turning acceleration multiplier, how quickly it accelerates around the corner. I don't want to make those too high for two reasons. One, if they're too high, then it'll be difficult to control the cycle. And secondly, I may add some objects that it can collect along the way to speed it up, so that you've actually got to try and collect things along the way to give you speed bonuses. I'll show you that in the next video.